I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a demon.
Alright, good morning. Welcome to a chilly 12th of December, 13th of December. Right, got a little winter mission today. It's -3 out. But looking nice. I'm wrapped up warm. I'm heading towards Colchester. So it's about 150 kilometres, just under 100 miles. I'm staying in a houseboat tonight. But first we've got to get there. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm a little later than I wanted to be leaving. I wanted to leave at 6. But right, we're on the road now. Right, let's get the lights on. Get pedalling. Alright. Woohoo! Oh yeah, that is cold. I can feel it on my face. Let's warm up a bit. Oh, the roads are a bit icy this morning. Gonna have to take it easy. Watch where I'm going. So I've plotted a gravel route up there on Commutes. So it's probably gonna throw me off road a little bit a couple of times. But yeah, apart from that I don't really know. Just trusting Commute as always. Follow the dotted line. Let's see where it takes us. All right. Okay, first obstacle. The park is closed. This is my cut through. Looks like I've got to hit the picturesque town of Morning instead. All right, reroute. Okay, another entrance. Ha ha ha. All right, lovely. Let's go. Wow. All right, what a beautiful morning. I'm over the cold now. It's a bit fresh, but look at it, stunning. I'm a bit annoyed with myself because I wanted to make it up to London for some reason. But, right. And back into a council estate. Awesome. Alright, there she is. First glimpse of the River Thames, London City. I'm all alone. Private glances, am I the only one? Holding this secret. Tower London behind me there. Just coming through the city. I'm going about an hour and a half. So just cleared the city centre. Heading out east now. The Mile End Road, a beautiful part of town. It's been good going. About an hour and a half. Cycle path all the way. Going strong. All right, 2 hours in. 37k. Not bad. Okay, time for a pit stop. Cafe time. Yes, time for a refuel. Alright, about 50k in. 2.5 hours. So it's been alright, it's been good. A bit boring coming out of London, it's just one road following through East London, but just entering Essex now. So hopefully you should hit a bit of countryside soon. But yeah, going strong. I'm gonna enjoy my bacon sandwich and coffee, and then back on the road. Oh, back on the bike. Riding for a 6 now. Still following the same road. It's busy as you can see. Not very pleasant. It's cycle path all the way, but it's running alongside the road. I need to get off it, find somewhere a bit quiet, so I can enjoy the cycle. But making some progress anyway. Okay, finally turned off that main road. Looks like we're heading into suburbia now. The sun is beating down. It's still about -1, but what a beautiful day. Right, back on the road. Alright, just cleared Brentwood. We're heading out into the sticks now. We're going about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, so should be just over halfway. I haven't checked, but going strong. It's a lovely day now. Alright. Check the maps, and I am 75 kilometres in, so just over halfway, about another 65 to go, so I think about 140 altogether. Just over 4 hours, so going strong. I've just had to take a couple of layers off, it's warming up a bit, but yeah, all good. So I think we're going to do about another hour and then stop again, get some more food, but for now, let's just enjoy it. This is more like it. I've slowed the pace down a bit. Let's sit back and enjoy. Right, I've hit a couple of big hills. It's hit me for 6. I think I'm going to pull over, stop and have some food or something. I need to get some snacks from somewhere. Alright. Had to stop. Just a 5-minute sit down. Hit a bit of a wall, about 80k in. So we are making good time. I'm knackered. So I'm check the map. Find a shop or something, have a quick refuel and a rest. But just going to sit down in the bus stop for 5 minutes. Alright, okay. Oh yeah, so look at that. Everything a man could want. Greggs Co-op. Subway. Gonna feast, alright. Oh yeah. We're off again, feeling better now. I've got a refuel, but it is bloody freezing. All the layers have gone back on. Oh, when you stop, it's bitter cold. My hands are freezing. So, checked on the maps. 57k to go. There we go. 100 kilometres, 6 hours, 10 minutes. Not bad. Still stuck on a bloody dual carriageway. Just gone through Colchester. Got a second wind. We've got about 22k to go. Nice frozen lake there. Wow. Alright, 7k to go. Just stopped for a cheeky samosa. I had to get some more water. I'm tired. It's cold. I'm getting tired. I'm ready to go. Alright, this is it. I found a boatyard. here. Morning. Nice chilly morning. It was a little dark last night when I arrived, so I couldn't really film, but this is my little boat I was staying in. Nice and toasty when I got it. I had the log burner going. So, yeah, nice little kitchen. Cooked up a nice bit of food last night. A couple of beers, glass of wine. Chilling out next to the fire. Yeah, just what I needed after a long ride. Too cold for a shower though this morning. And then yeah, nice toasty little bedroom. So yeah, nice end to a good ride yesterday. I was contemplating riding home today, but it's too far, it's too cold. So gonna jump on the train, get back to London, then cycle home from there. But yeah, that was it, end of the mission. All right, see you later.